Hey everybody, it's Larry with another Edge update. Today we're talking about our coming curriculum they're going to be posting on YouTube. We just outlined basically videos throughout the new year. We've got 48 videos outlined for the next year and we're adding to it daily. But for the next 3 months, we just outlined when we're going to start, what we're going to do, who we're working with. Some of these projects are our basic projects. We start off and we're going to finish our pen and pen holder project. We'll start off with a simple gasket. We're going to go over simple things like using micrometers, using calipers, when to use those, what kinds of tools, fixture setting, offsets, tool offsets, all of those things that you need to become a very proficient machinist, right? So we've outlined several projects for the mill as well as for the lathe, and we've also started combining projects. So you'll start on the lathe maybe and finish it up on the mill, or start on the mill and finish it up on the lathe. A couple of things that we're working on doing would be doing threading, internal and external threads on the mill. Our lathe doesn't have that capability, so anytime we want to add threads to it, we'd have to do that on the mill or do hand tapping and die, use a die to put an external thread on, which we will be showing in all cases. We'll be showing how to do things with the manual tools as well as how to do them with the CNC tools. Some of the videos that we're going to do, well, not some of them, all of the videos that we're going to do will have a CAD, CAM, and machining element. So the idea is that we're going to go through the entire step of creating the models, from the initial sketches, concepts as to why you would do that, breaking into moving from the 2.5D sketches or the 2D sketches into a 3D element. Many of these will be 3D parts, so they have contours to them. Other ones will be simple 2.5D parts. And then we'll move in from the CAD into the CAM section, where we're going to go over the very simple and break it down in a very recipe-like fashion. The best way to work is to set up a very rudimentary guideline there, where you can take things here and there and move around. But for the most part, if you follow this recipe, starting with spot drills and moving into your other tools, you should have a successful machined project at the end of every time you try to do it. We'll start conservative, and then eventually we'll move into moving higher speed and those things. We're partners with Titans of CNC, so we're going to be incorporating some of their projects on our machines to show you can do them on ours, as well as going through a few advanced concepts, again, combining the mill with the lathe and showing how you can work between both of those and why you should work between both of those. I'd say with that's about all we've got for now. So I'm going to go ahead and call it another Edge update, and just keep an eye out on our YouTube channel. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that alarm button, and we'll see you on the next Edge update.